In a last effort to avoid paying 110 million pula to InfoTrack Pty Ltd, DEBSWANA has told the Court of Appeal that it did not authorize anybody to negotiate a contract for installation of spying equipment in its facilities. Attorney John Carr-Hartley said the disputed contract did not comply with DEBSWANA procurement processes and that the management knew nothing about it. He added that DEBSWANA should not be held accountable for the oral agreement, which has no paper trail. He said the trio who negotiated the contract, Mphoke Wakai, former head of human resources Tsepama Zwigwila, and the former head of security Tataoneki Tumetse, were called for disciplinary hearing and ultimately dismissed. He said InfoTrack Pty Ltd was secretly lobbying for the late Albert Milton to be appointed to the position of managing director to succeed Balisi Bunyongo. He called for the DEBSWANA appeal to be upheld with costs. However, InfoTrack attorney Khositsile said the three people were acting on behalf of DEBSWANA as they did in previous engagements with InfoTrack. He argued that they have previously authorized payment for services rendered by InfoTrack, and therefore it is surprising that DEBSWANA was trying to disown them. He said there was nothing wrong for InfoTrack to embark on lobbying for whomever it did, since they knew the people who conducted some influence. He added that when DEBSWANA delayed paying InfoTrack, its direct engaged former permanent secretary to the president and DEBSWANA chairman Katamuru PC to intervene. Murupisi told the trial court that Milton made a promise to effect the payment as soon as he arrived from a foreign trip. Ngare said it was strange for DEBSWANA to claim that the contract did not exist despite all evidence to the contrary. Judgment was reserved for Friday, August 4th. Pamepet Gaborone.